Adidas just made Pinoy history at ito yung tinutukoy ko. This is the Adizero Select 3.0 KQ63, the first ever Filipino Player Edition basketball sneaker from Adidas. KQ for Kevin Kembao, and alam niyo ba na yung 63 is not KQ's jersey number, but from the Tech 63 signature of the Filipino toy artist and streetwear icon Quicks, designed by a Filipino artist for a Filipino pro basketball player. So ano nga ba yung 63? It represents the Philippines country code. Kaya naman itong sapatos na to ay talagang nagre-represent ng Filipino pride. Vivid neon pink upper, which is Kevin's favorite color, plus white stripes and sunset yellow-orange accents, symbolizing youth and Filipino pride. Guess what? Si Jalen Green from the Houston Rockets, sinuot to sa NBA Filipino Heritage Night. Kung Pinoy baller ka, dapat meron ka din ito. For only 5,800 pesos, available yan dito sa website ng Sneaker Street. And good news is we accept major credit cards. Comment down KQ63 kung gusto mo rin ito.